Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Tiffin's Tutorials. See the magic in writing. Hi guys! Today we're learning how to use a with phrase. So let's start at the top. What is a with phrase? Surprisingly, a with phrase is a sentence that actually starts with. It's used to add description in writing, and if used correctly, it can pack a real punch. So let's take a look at some easy breezy examples. Okay, so here's our first example of a with phrase. I don't think I need to introduce this character. I think we all know who he is. So the first thing I notice about Spider-Man is how he's standing. It's his stance, and I think he's standing with clenched fists. So I'm going to take that little phrase and use it at the beginning. Here we go. With clenched fists, Spider-Man gazed at his adversary. Then, without blinking, he shot a web from his wrist, and it was game over. So I've taken that bit at the beginning and put it in a with phrase. Cool, right? Next, take this cobra. Now the first thing I notice about him is his eerie, evil smile. It sends a shiver down my spine. So I'm going to start with that. With a haunting smile, the cobra raised his head above the basket. Who would he mesmerize today? What do you think? Lastly, meet Robo. Now to me, Robo looks like he's moving with speed and with agility, possibly through the night sky or a galaxy. So let's use that at the beginning. With great speed and agility, Robo dashed across the star-soaked galaxy. Would he make it to Space Station 5 in time? That's pretty effective, don't you think?